Hey, what's up? Ultenic D5S Pro is a new budget robot vacuum cleaner with some good features, such as 3000 Pascal suction power, vacuum and mopping at the same time, up and remote control, up to 150 minutes of battery life, and auto charging support. You know, Ultenic is a new brand to me, so I am very interested in testing this robot vacuum cleaner. By the way, this is a budget model of robot vacuum cleaner, but also this brand has a flagship model with self-empty station. It is called Ultenic T10. Okay, let's start the review of Ultenic D5S Pro with unboxing. The robot vacuum cleaner comes in this nice box. There is a big Ultenic logo and the image of robot vacuum cleaner on the front. The sticker on the side says that we really have Ultenic D5S Pro. Inside the box there is a package with user manual, quick start guide, greeting card, and cleaning tool. And then we can see a robot vacuum cleaner itself. A dustbin is already installed in the robot vacuum cleaner, while a water tank is separately in the box. You know, a water tank is really big, and it has a mop close, and there is also an extra mop close in the package. The robot vacuum cleaner has two side brushes, but there are 4 in the box. It means that 2 of them are spare. That's very good. I also find an extra HEPA filter for a dustbin. As already said, Ultenic D5S Pro supports auto charging, so there is a charging dock and power adapter in the package. Another feature of this robot vacuum cleaner is remote control. The last accessory is boundary strips. You can use them to create no-go zones. So Ultenic D5S Pro is a budget robot vacuum cleaner, but it has many different accessories in the package, and even spare side brushes, filter and mop close. That's very good. Talking about design of this robot vacuum cleaner, first I want to say that it looks very stylish. The body is made of glossy plastic, and there is a shiny circle in the center. Most likely there should be a tower with LiDAR navigation, but this robot vacuum cleaner doesn't have it. We will talk about navigation a little later. Another feature of Ultenic D5S Pro is a thin body. It is only 2.87 inches or 7.2 centimeters in height, which allows the robot vacuum cleaner to get under almost any furniture. Overall, Ultenic D5S Pro is quite compact. For example, I tested another robot vacuum cleaner last week, and it is bigger than Ultenic Robot. On the front there is a bumper to avoid hard collisions with walls and furniture. We can see 2 buttons at the top, power and auto recharging. You can press and hold the power button to power on/off a robot vacuum cleaner, and a single press to start cleaning. At the bottom there is anti-drop sensors, charging contact pins, omnidirectional wheel, and 2 driving wheels, 2 side brushes, and the main rolling brush. The main brush is removable, and it is better to clean after every cleaning of the robot vacuum cleaner. You just need to press these buttons and pull up. As already said, there is a cleaning tool for the main brush in the package. The robot vacuum cleaner also has a power switch at the bottom. Talking about dustbin, this sticker says how to remove it and clean. A dustbin has a capacity of 500 milliliters. As for the water tank, it also has a sticker with instructions. By the way, we can read that it is actually 2-in-1 dust box and water tank. You can use it for vacuum and mopping at the same time. The capacity of a water tank is 300 milliliters. Now let's take a look at the remote control. You know, few robot vacuum cleaners come with remote control, although I found it very useful. It is not always comfortable to use a smartphone with mobile app to change a cleaning mode or check the cleaning process. The remote control of Ultenic robot vacuum cleaner has a mode and time display, auto cleaning button, and return to the charging dock button. You can also use the directional buttons for manual control of robot vacuum cleaner. The other buttons are time stop, schedule setup, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, single room cleaning, and change suction power levels. If we start talking about control, let's look at the mobile app. The application is called Ultenic, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. The functions in the app are about the same as on remote control, such as return to charging dock, auto cleaning, edge cleaning, spot cleaning, mop entry mode. However, you can also see a battery level of robot vacuum cleaner, as well as last cleaning time and cleaning area. If you want to change a suction power mode or a water supply, then click on this button. In the settings menu, you can set a schedule cleaning, check cleaning records, turn on/off light indicator, and find your robot if it is lost somewhere under the furniture. Before vacuum and mopping cleaning test, I want to tell you about battery of Ultenic DS5 Pro Robot vacuum cleaner. It has a battery capacity of 2600 mAh. The maximum cleaning time is 150 minutes. However, the battery life depends on the suction power mode. At the most powerful mode, the robot vacuum cleaner will run for about 70 minutes. Okay, I also want to measure a noise level. In the Eco mode, the noise level is 44 dB. There is also a standard and powerful suction mode with 44 and 49 dB respectively. Finally, let's do a cleaning test of Ultenic D5S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. I have 100 grams of garbage. Let's see how the robot vacuum cleaner will clean it and how effectively it will do this. After the first clean, the robot vacuum cleaner collected 88 grams of garbage. However, there is still some garbage on the floor. It is better to run the second cleaning. After the second cleaning, the robot vacuum cleaner collected 96 grams of garbage. So if your apartment hasn't been cleaned in a long time, it is better to run 2 cleanings, one after the other. As I already said, Ultenic D5S Pro has 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank. You can use it for vacuum and mopping at the same time. Let's see how it works. You can select a mop mode in the app on smartphone, and then the robot vacuum cleaner will only wash the floor. If you want the robot to vacuum and mop at the same time, then you need to select auto cleaning mode. Talking about navigation, on official website we can see that it is random. However, the manufacturer says that the robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with Intelligent Navigation System 2.0. When you start automatic cleaning, the robot vacuum cleaner uses a zigzag cleaning path. After that, it goes around the edges of the room. The navigation system is quite simple, but I cannot say it is stupid. The robot vacuum cleaner moves by its own cleaning path and gently stops in front of the walls or bypasses obstacles. You can also run a spot cleaning. As well as edge cleaning in the app on smartphone. Another feature of Ultenic D5S Pro is a carpet detection. The robot vacuum cleaner automatically increases suction power to 3000 Pascal when it detects a carpet. So Ultenic D5S Pro is a budget robot vacuum cleaner, and it doesn't have lidar navigation, as well as gyroscope or camera navigation. It has only one cleaning path. First it moves zigzag, and then around the edges. However, I think this is enough for effective cleaning. You can also run a spot cleaning and edge cleaning. Another feature of this robot vacuum cleaner is vacuum and mopping at the same time. You know, it really saves a lot of time. I also like the design of Ultenic DS5 Pro. First, it is more compact than other robot vacuum cleaners, but also it looks very stylish. For the price of about $200, Ultenic D5S Pro is a really good robot vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching. See you soon!